method of cross multiplication. So this is a cross multiplication method, or we can call Cramer's rule method. So this method also we can find the solution for any system of linear equations. Here is the formula, just I wrote already. These are the two linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Condition is a1 by a2 should not equal to b1 by b2. Then only we can use this method. Okay, now when the two linear equations are given, x coefficient is a1, y coefficient is b1, constant is c1 for the first equation. And for second equation is x coefficient is a2, y coefficient is b2 and constant is c2. All should be left side, right side is only must be 0. So this is the procedure. Now to find out x and y value, directly we can substitute these values. X is equals to b1 into c2. b1 is y coefficient into c2 is the constant of second equation. Yeah, so like that b1 c2 minus b2 c1 cyclic by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. It's multiplication. Let us take one example, it's very clear for you. When you notice this, here is the problem. 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0, one equation. 3x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, second equation. So here is a1, 2, b1 minus 3 and c1 is equal to 8. Okay, x coefficient, y coefficient and constant. And a2 is equals to 3, b2 is equals to 1 because y coefficient is nothing, means is 1. And c2 is equals to 1 again. These values will just substitute in this, directly we will get the x, right? Then x is equals to, you can notice above, that is b1 c2. b1 is minus 3, c2 is 1, so it's minus 3 minus, formula minus, b2 c1, b2 is 1 into c1, 8, 1 into 8 is 8 by a1 b2. a1 is this, b2 is 1, 2 ones are 2 minus, formula minus you keep first of all, and a2 into b1. a2 is 3, b1 is minus 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Already minus is there. So minus into minus plus 9. This is minus 11 by 11. That is equals to minus 1. Okay, minus 11 by 11. 11 cancel. xy got minus 1 directly. Let's use same for the y. So y is equals to c1 a2. Okay, c1 is 8. a2 is 3. 24 it is. Minus c2 into a1. c2 is 1 and a1 is 2. 1 2s are 2. Divide by same denominator, no? So same 2 plus 9 only will come. Denominators are same for the both. So 24 minus 2 is 22 by 11. So 11 ones are 11 twos are. Then y is equals to 2. Just within 1 or 2 steps you'll get finally. Only we need to remember these formulas. In case to remember these also, if you feel tough, there's one simple shortcut trick I'll tell you. Let us see the alternate method. Here is the two linear equations. One is 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Another one is 3x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, same formula will come, but some another trick it is. That is, first we should write y coefficients. Y coefficient is minus 3 and here is 1. Minus 3, 1 you write. Next you can write the constants. 8, 1. Again x coefficient is 2 and 3. So remember, first we should start with y coefficients here, followed by constant, again x, and fourth place again repeat y coefficient. Minus 3 and 1. Whatever you wrote, same you write again. Okay, first y, constant, x coefficients, again y coefficients. Above you can keep letter y, x, y and 1. So x by y divided by 1 divided by x, y, 1 you can write in these gaps. Now x divided by, here is a cross multiplication. So this into this and this into this. x by minus 3 into 1, minus 3 minus 1 into 8 is 8 is equals to equal similarly keep y divided by again same this into this 8 3s are 24 minus cross multiplication 1 into 2 is 2 is equals to 1 by same as this 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 3 already minus is there plus 9 3 into 3 is 9. This is the first step. Okay, y coefficients constant, x coefficient and again y coefficients above xy1 you can keep like this. Let's simplify this. X by minus 11 is equals to y by 22 is equals to 1 by 11. From this you can find out x and y values. Just you can take first and last is one set. X by minus 11 is equals to 1 by 11. So x is equals to minus 11 by 11, then x is equals to 1. Here we got same. Second and third you can take. Y by 22 is equals to 1 by 11. Then y is equal to 20, take right side, 22 by 11. Then y is equals to 2. Okay, 11 ones are 11 twos are. Here also 11 11 cancel. No? X is 1, y is 2. We got the same. Same formula, there is no difference. You can use the formula, otherwise directly this is the concept you can apply by making the coefficients in this way. So this is one alternate. Same formula also they made like this one. Otherwise you can remember this system of linear equation solving. This is the simple x and y formulas. Just 1-2 times if practice is easy. So in Cramer's rule method, no need of elimination, no need of substitution. Directly by keeping the coefficient values in the formula, you'll get the answers. Okay, this is the one of the method. Next, let us see graphical method also. Same system of linear equations. How to solve the solution by graph using the graph paper.